class, we are going to learn long vowel A. In last class, we learned A-I sound words. In today's session, we are going to see how to read when letters A and E comes in a word with a consonant in the middle. As I said earlier, whenever two vowels comes together, the first vowel will do the talking and second vowel will be silent. What the second vowel will do? The second vowel will remain silent and the first vowel will do the talking. How it will talk? It will talk by saying its name. It will not say its phonic sound. It will say only its name. Can you see the word cake over here? K-A-I-K. Cake. The E will remain silent and only the first vowel will do its talking by saying its name. So can you see all the rhyming words over? Cake, lake, take, make, fade, base. How to remember the spellings? Whenever you hear A sound as letter name, A as a letter name, you should keep it in the mind that there will be E in the ending. In the word, there will be E in the ending. Thank you.